mi gente! What is up? It's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Hollow Week Day 4. Ooh, it is day 4, girl. Yes, take a breath, mama. Let's get into it. So as you can see, my dry shampoo did not massage into my scalp, which is not a problem. It goes with a vibe, but it looks crazy. It looks crazy and it looks like I have gray hair. So I have a solution, not one little crown, but 2 little crowns. All right, the crazy dry shampoo is covered and let's get into the makeup. Starting off with the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Priming Mist. You know I love this. You know I can't do a look without this. Also hydrating the lips with the Kapari Lippy Gloss. Going in with the Collab Cosmetics foundation, I went with not only 1, not only 2, but 3 whole layers of foundation. This is the lightest shade I could find. I also bought it for $1.50 at Sally's. What are my thoughts on it? It's pretty good for $1.50. I'm gonna set that with the Laura Mercier. I wish I had a translucent setting powder that was more white toned. This has a almost yellow tinge on top of this really, really pale foundation, but you know, it's what I got. Now we're going in with Contour Girl MAC Cosmetics Taupe Blush. Thank you, Sir John. We're going in on the actual contour, hollowing out on the sides of the mouth, under the cheek, under the jaw, in the temple, just really trying to hollow out my face and, you know, just bring out the skull of my face, you know? Going in with my Morphe Picasso palette with that white color just to highlight the center of my face a bit. With the Desi X Katie X Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. I really love this eyeshadow palette. These colors are rich, they're pigmented, they blend really nicely, and that is the key here. It's all about applying the lighter color to darker, in my opinion. I go a little bit more ham with the lighter colors. And then when I go in with the darker color, like Cheens, I go in a little bit lighter handed and blend. So now I'm actually going in with the eyes. We are going to just blend the foundation and then apply our MAC Painterly Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And we're going in with Cheens, again from that Desi X Katie X Dose of Colors palette. And we're just kind of drawing a circle around our eye socket. Again, I'm going in with the lighter color first and really saturating my lid and the corners with this darker color first. And then I'll go in with a black. But first we're going in with Cheens. Cheens is a really great color. It's really nice and rich. It blends out to a nice lighter color too, but you can really kind of pack it on. So that's what I'm doing. Just keep blending, just keep blending. And we're going in with the black. This is Noir from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And applying this black eyeshadow in a halo-like motion, so concentrating it on the inner corner and outer corner of my eye and not sweeping the color across my lid, just keeping it on the corners and then blending along the crease to connect. And doing the same on the lower lash line and then going in with the sparkly shade from Desi. I'm running that on the center of the lid up to the brow bone and then also popping that on the lower lash line. Topping that with Sparkler from Bodyography, going right on top of that same color. And it's just gonna intensify the shimmer. Just touching up the black here, adding a little bit more, and doing the same to the other eye. It looks so pretty. It's like a little silvery, a little golden. There's some pink in there. And now I'm gonna touch up my brows, going in with the Glossier Boy Brow, going a little extra with my brows, making them nice and thick and feathery. I'm then going in with my Rare Beauty eyeliner to just make a tiny wing, tiny thin wing along the lash line. And then taking my Glossier Brow Flick and again, intensifying the eyebrows even further, making them nice and floofy. Taking the Rare Beauty eyeliner and now I'm sketching out the mouth area and jawline of this skull and also using that same eyeliner on my nose. And this is where the skull starts to come to life, you know? You can really make this as exaggerated and detailed as you wanted to. I've done that in the past, but this version I am inspired by Karen, I Love Sarai, and Lily Love 213 on Instagram. They did a calavera look on Karen and it just looked so beautiful, and it was really simple, but it still had the look to it. So as you can see, I'm intensifying the eyeshadow on the temple and also drawing some lines on the temple. I'm also drawing the lines and filling everything in, all with the Rare Beauty eyeliner. Using the same eyeshadows that I used before, Churro and Cheens, I'm just adding a little bit more dimension to the skeletal lines of the mouth and temple. And then I'm using some Laura Mercier just to clean up the overall look of the skeleton underneath and in the center of my face, touching up the eyeshadow a bit as well, and it's just looking so beautiful. Here I'm hitting the nose with a little bit of a moment and also the Bodyography Sparkler shade, and applying some KKW Bible mascara on the top and bottom lashes. And going in with some ColourPop eyeliner in Swerve on my waterline. I'm loving this look so far. Now we're gonna do the lips. So I'm using Beeper from ColourPop Cosmetics on the lips, overdrawing them slightly. And then I'm also going in with another ColourPop's lip product. It is from their Disney Villains collection. This is Dr. Facilier. It's sold out, but it is literally my favorite lip color ever. So I'm really sad that it's sold out. But I blot my lips. I learned my lesson from the Euphoria look. So I blot my lips and also just put some translucent powder lightly on them and dust the excess off before I go in with the liner. So here I'm using the Rare Beauty liner again. I pretty much only use this liner, but I'm just making the kind of stitches on the lips to mimic teeth. Adding a little heart on my forehead just because I felt like the forehead needed something, and I didn't want to do anything too ornate because I was getting a little tired. And then I added some swirlies and a little flower on my chin as well. And using the Desi Katie Dose of Colors palette again, I'm gonna fill in the heart with Girl Bye. And adding a little red jewel to the forehead. And other than that, mi gente, the look is done. I hope you liked this sugar skull look. I think it's so beautiful. It's probably my favorite look that I've done so far. Follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes photos and a reel featuring this look at GoGabiGabi. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you tomorrow in the next look. Remember to take a breath, drink some water. I believe in you, and I'm sending you so much light, paz, and mucho, mucho, mucho amor. Mwah. Bye, mi gente. See you tomorrow.